Okay, hello everyone, Pooja Maiwala here. Today I'm going to give presentation about the Optimist Citizen, which is a newspaper which serves the bundle of happiness towards the people. It is around the 20 cities now. The owner of this newspaper is are the Piyush Ghosh and Tusin Kumar Sen. These both are very young. They were only 19 or 20 years old when they start this venture. Now, how they took the idea about this. Once I have heard about the Piyush Ghosh. He said that the Nirbhaya case was going on, and his cousin was reading about the Nirbhaya whole day. She was hearing about her, and his whole mind was about thinking Nirbhaya. So the day Nirbhaya took her last breath, which was very painful, of course, but that the same day the girl commits suicide. Matlab, this bring so many negativity in that girl that she commits suicide just because of Nirbhaya, because she didn't felt any rape, she didn't got any harm inside her. Of course she must feel pain, but it can't commit to a suicide, right? So this was the journey of awareness that how much positivity is in need. So, and second thing, he told about himself only. He was thinking about to do IITs, and then in news he heard that IITs is very tough thing. Then after doing IIT, you can still remain jobless. After doing so many struggle, you can still remain jobless. So at this point of time he got depressed. He thought that even after doing so many struggle, even after doing so many things in life, he could remain jobless. After coming out all the situation, he finally realized that it is so important to be positive, that if negative news can be push us towards suicide, so how good a positive news can affect us, right? So he decided to separate all the positive things, positive, to collect all the positivity around him and going to serve it to people, because he said that no one likes to serve negativity on their plate. Everyone likes to be positive on the starting of the morning, because people are reading newspaper generally in morning, and they like to hear some positive news, and it gives good power, good empower them, right? So he started to so he got his plan, and he talked to his one of the close friend who is the Tusin Kumar Sen. Tusinda उसे ऐसे people call Bengal in Tusin Sen. So he got agree about that, and they decided that they should uh, dis- uh, they should launch a newspaper with thousands of bundles of the happiness, bundles of the positivity, that how good people are they, the real heroes about them. And they start writing about that, they started collecting news about that, and they decided to launch a newspaper, but they didn't have any money. So they just break their piggy banks and their pocket money, collected their pocket money, and they thought that first of all they should experiment it with someone. So they purchased a chart paper, a digitally printed chart paper, and they printed it very well, and they distribute it into their 5 friends, and they want to see the effect. So they noticed very good effect, very good response about it. Their friends really felt good reading that good plate of happiness on their morning, right? So they got inspired to do it on the daily basis, right? So they finally started it on the 15th of the December of 2014, when they give a newspaper to their friends. The day was 5th of the October of 2014. So then they realize they don't have even money, right? And they have to give some they have to took some funding and some financial institutions help for their starting of the newspaper, and they got them via the and their first newspaper was the 14 December 2014, and which was distributed on 15 December, right? And this idea got so many good response. People are loving their newspaper. When people feel that nothing is going good with life, especially in Kolkata, people are love to hear their news and their videos as well as this newspaper. They are having very good fan following on their Instagram page as well as Facebook page. And they are earning good enough profit out of it. We can't say profit, but their revenue is quite good right now, that they are distributing on the poors as well, and their fan following is very good. Now they are giving some internship as well, and their company is giving 20 of the city in India, right? They are serving in 20 of the city, which is very huge. Even their web page are very interesting. People are loving them, and this is how the TED conference format their company's copyright. I'll subscribe like this: TED conference format, and this is how the story of Piyush Ghosh. Hope you like it.